Welcome, welcome. This is Noble, and I welcome you to this program, Digital Lifestyle Affiliate Marketing. Let me talk about myself. I'm a self-taught computer scientist. I failed my seventh standard and became self-taught computer scientist in artificial intelligence, and I'm super consciousness expert, and we have served around 4,000 plus students, 500 plus teachers. I've spent 70,000, 75,000 US dollars plus 75,000 US dollars on digital skills, future skills, freedom and transformational skills, technological skills, soft skills. I have done 500 plus global digital and future skills trainings. I have done 100 plus projects with these skills. I have done digital and future skills research over 15 years, and I have implemented these skills in the projects. I'm a lifelong learner. Okay, I'm founder of Noble Transformation Hub, and our mission is to serve 1.8 billion millionaires to achieve ultimate growth and create 100 million new digital leaders and teachers till 2030 to meet global education goals. We'll go to next section where we learn why digital lifestyle affiliate marketing is super important for you to go learn it, and why it is so important. You have to learn it now. Thank you so much.